consistent volume. And once again, a lot of times you'll see the price reclaim over VWAP indicator or even the 8 EMAs. Volume is another important key criteria for entry confirmations. Right before you enter and take the trade, you want to see consistent volume coming in, which will be apparent after the overall market gap down. You can see on the Amazon example here once again, on the 5-minute charts especially, you see a surge of volume on the opening candles and following that as well, especially once SSR is triggered. I made a detailed video on how to read trading volume using effective volume indicators. So comment trading volume down below. I'll send you the link to the free lesson. And if you're enjoying this video lesson so far, please remember to drop a like down below. And don't forget to sign up for the biggest winner trading competition with a link down below as well for a chance to win over $20,000 worth of prize money. There is zero risk to your own capital since you will be trading $100,000 in fantasy funds in a virtual trading account. Okay, up next, I want to introduce you to a second strategy that will work really well in trading along the major indices. These are going to be the trend joining setups that work really well on individual stocks or E-mini futures, because they are based on the intraday trends and volatilities of the markets. If you're a trader who's working on improving your trailing stop management and letting your winners run, this trend join long or short strategy has very useful criteria that you can also apply to your trading setups. To trade a trend, you need to first understand what forms a trend. Duh. I don't always draw any trend lines on my chart, but I'll pay attention to these setup criteria. So let's go over the setup criteria for the trend join long strategies. Number 1, you need to see the market either breaking out or breaking down. You do not want to see a sideways consolidation market. Number 2, you want to see the instrument you're trading to stay above the highs, especially above the pre-market highs after 10 a.m. Number 3, and this is very important actually, I want to see the daily chart of the instrument I'm trading for this setup has a lot of room to the upside. So let's take a look at this chart example here on SPY. The day in question is this one over here. So this one only becomes a trend join long setup after it clears through the recent daily resistance, which is the higher day from the day before at 524's area over here. So for me, I want to see the stock or the individual instrument trade above this key level after 10 o'clock. So you can see the pre-market session, it gapped down, reclaiming over VWAP and the 8 EMA here, and over that daily resistance we talked about here, 523, 524's area, and started trending along after 10 o'clock over here. So that's how you know it met criteria 1 and 2. And number 3, you want to see the stock or the instrument after it cleared through that recent resistance has more upside to go, right? You want the risk reward to